Moong or Masoor dal recipe. How we can make moong and lentil dal at home. Now it is very easy to make moong and lentil dal that we will make at home. I took a bowl and took out the moong and masoor dal in it, and now I soaked it for a while, and later put turmeric salt in it and let it cook for a while. After adding turmeric and salt, we will put it on the stove to cook, and when it starts, we will remove the layer that is on top of it. And we'll leave it to cook. Well, some people like to eat it whole. Some people like to eat it thinly. I will keep it thin. Here we have the dal cooked and ready. Now we will fry it, which I will add in my own way, which will give the dish a very luscious taste. I took a separate one and put oil in it, and put some cumin seeds in it, and chopped tomato, which I chopped and added it in it, and left it to mix well. And now in it I added green chilies and which were chopped, and in it I made a paste of garlic and ginger. And then I put dry coriander in it and add a little bit of curry leaves to make it more fragrant. Now we have the tadka ready, which we will put inside the dal. And here is our delicious moong and lentil keeta, which is much tastier than the restaurant dals. Now I will put homemade spices in it, and green coriander will also be added in it. And now we will leave it to the dharma for the Turkish heart. And now we have ready lentil, which we can eat rice, roti with anything, salad with it more. But in our homes, it is eaten more than onion as a salad, so you guys can add a lot of things in it. And this is the dal that we have cooked, which is very delicious, and you will not find it in restaurants. And if you like this recipe, let me know in the comments so that I can keep sharing small videos with you. Thanks for watching video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.